See? No. After this, turn off my page or because I know I'm not going to say already. But before me make them get it off and them rare, me just rare. I could have lied about the video, you know. Because some of the angle them not really clear in it. But me not tell no lie. Because once me tell lie, it will go even worse. See? Yeah, I'm doing the video. And me I do the things them. And I share do the things them. So I know the repercussions. Anyway, I share the video. And you don't know. Some me are rolling me New Year, so some me have to roll it in. Because as I say, I don't want my $3 million to begin nobody. See? And then I exploit me. I can't own anything when I do. I may own it. Only thing I go hear is some suck your mother. Batty boy go chip, jet, red. So, anyway. Pick up on yourself. Bless.